Definition of even function is f of minus x is equal to f of x. That is, if we replace x by minus x, again we get f of x. That function is even function. xக்கு பதிலாக minus x replace பண்ணாலும் f of x கிடைச்சா அது even function. Example cos x. Cos of minus x போட்டிங்கன்னா என்ன வரும்? Cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. அப்போ cos of minus x is equal to cos x. That is even function. Modulus of x, modulus of minus x is equal to plus x. That is even function. And even powers of x is always even function. Next definition is odd function. If we replace x by minus x, we get minus f of x. Then that function is called odd function. xக்கு பதிலாக minus x replace பண்ணி minus f of x கிடைச்சதுன்னா அது odd function. Example, sin of x. Sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. x ஓட odd powers எல்லாமே odd function தான். xக்கு பதிலாக minus x போட்டோம்னா என்ன வந்துடும்? ஒரு minus xஸாக தானே வருது. அப்போ அது odd function. minus x whole cubeனா minus x cubeன்னு வரும். அப்போ ஒரு minus xஸாக வருது. அப்போ அது odd function. In case if our problem is divided into two parts, pi 1 of x and pi 2 of x, how do we find whether the given function is even or odd? இப்போ நம்மளோட கொஷின் வந்து ரெண்டாக ஸ்ப்ளிட் ஆகிருந்ததுன்னா எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? pi 1 of minus x is equal to pi 2 of x, then that function is even function. Pi 1 of minus x is equal to minus pi 2 of x, that function is odd function. மேலே இருக்க ஃபங்க்ஷனில் எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக மைனஸ் போட்டால் கீழே இருக்க ஃபங்க்ஷன் வந்தால் ஈவன், கீழே இருக்க ஃபங்க்ஷன் வருது பட் ஒரு மைனஸ் எக்ஸஸாக வருதுன்னா அது ஆட் ஃபங்க்ஷன். ஃபார்முலா ஃபார் ஃபோரியர் சீரீஸ் இன் தி இன்டர்வல் minus pi to pi. minus pi to pi இன்டர்வல் கொடுத்தாலே கிவன் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஈவனா ஆடா இல்லை நெய்தர் ஈவன் நார் ஆடான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். If we get neither even nor odd function in the interval minus pi to pi, then the Fourier series formula is f of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity bn sin nx. A naught value is 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x dx. An value is 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. And bn value is 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. First problem, find the Fourier series expansion of f of x is equal to x square plus x in the interval minus pi to pi, and deduce that summation n varies from 1 to infinity 1 by n square is equal to pi square by 6. Here what is our interval minus pi to plus pi? If your problem interval is minus pi to plus pi, we have to check the given function even or odd or neither even nor odd. உங்களோட இன்டர்வல் minus pi to plus பையாக இருந்ததுன்னா கிவன் ஃபங்க்ஷன் ஈவனா ஆடா நெய்தர் ஈவன் நார் ஆடான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். செக் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபோரியர் சீரிஸ் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிடுறோம். ஃபோரியர் சீரிஸ் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண பிறகு இந்த டிடக்ஷன் பார்ட் ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணும். நவ் அவர் சொல்யூஷன் f of x is equal to x square plus x. Replace x by minus x. What we get? Minus x whole square plus minus x. Minus x whole square value is x square minus x. This is not equal to f of x. If we take minus, what we get? Minus x square plus x. This is not equal to minus f of x. இந்த வேல்யூ எக்ஸுக்கு பதிலாக மைனஸ் எக்ஸ் ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணி எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் வருதான்னு பார்க்குறோம், வரல. அதே மைனஸை வெளியே எடுத்துகிட்டு எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸுக்கு ஈக்குவலாக வருதா? மைனஸை வெளியே எடுத்துட்டோம், இங்கே என்ன வரும்? இங்கே மைனஸ் இங்கே ப்ளஸ்னு வந்துடும். பட் எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ரெண்டுமே ப்ளஸில் இருக்குது, அப்போ அதுக்கும் ஈக்குவலாக வரல. அப்போ கிவன் ஃபங்க்ஷன் இஸ் நெய்தர் ஈவன் nor odd. We have to find a naught, an and bn values. A naught value is 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x dx. F of x value is x square plus x dx. Integral x square value is x cube by 3. Integral x value is x square by 2. Limits are minus pi to plus pi. Now substitute x equal to pi. What we get? Pi cube by 3 plus pi square by 2. Upper limit over minus lower limit value minus pi. Substitute x equal to minus pi. Minus pi, the whole cube value is minus pi cube. Denominator value 3 plus minus pi, the whole square value is pi square. Denominator value 2. Therefore, pi square by 2. This is equal to 1 by pi cube by 3 plus pi square by 2 minus into minus plus pi cube by 3 minus into plus minus pi square by 2. Here minus pi square by 2 and plus pi square by 2 cancelled. Remaining terms pi cube by 3 plus pi cube by 3. If we adding, we get 2 pi cube by 3. Here denominator pi and numerator 1 pi cancel. Remaining is 2 pi square by 3. A naught value is 2 pi square by 3. An formula is 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. F of x value is x square plus x. Now we apply Bernoulli's formula. U value is x square plus x. V value is cos nx. Differentiation of u is u dash. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of x value is 1. Again differentiating, we get u double dash. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Differentiation of constant value is 0. Here integrating, integral v value is v1. Integral cos nx value is sin nx by n. Again integrating, we get v2. Integral sin nx is minus cos nx by n. Here denominator contains 1 n, therefore n square. Again integrating, we get v3 is equal to minus integral cos nx value is sin nx by n. Here denominator already contains n square, therefore sin nx by n cube. An is 1 by pi. What is the formula? U v1. U value is x square plus x. v1 value is sin nx by n minus u dash v2. Here formula contains 1 minus, v2 contains 1 minus, therefore minus into minus plus 2x plus 1 cos nx by n square plus u double dash v3. U double dash value is 2, v3 value minus sin nx by n cube. Limits are minus pi to plus pi. Now substitute x equal to pi. What we get? Sin n pi value 0. First term 0. Here 2 pi plus 1 cos n pi by n square. Here sin n pi value 0. Upper limit over. Lower limit க்கு முன்னாடி மைனஸ் போட்டுக்கிறோம். lower limit value minus pi. sin minus n pi க்கும் 0 தான். அப்போ first term 0. second term minus 2 pi plus 1 cos minus n pi value is equal to cos n pi. denominatorல n square இருக்கு. sin minus n pi க்கு value 0. This is equal to 1 by pi 2 pi plus 1 cos n pi value is minus 1 to the power n. Denominator n square minus of here minus 2 pi plus 1 minus 1 power n. Cos n pi value is minus 1 power n divided by n square. Here minus 1 power n divided by n square is common. Therefore taking minus 1 power n divided by n square, remaining is 2 pi plus 1. Here minus into minus plus 2 pi minus into plus minus 1. Here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Remaining is 4 pi. That is minus 1 power n 4 pi divided by pi n square. Here pi and pi cancel. This is equal to 4 minus 1 power n divided by n square. Bn value is 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x sin nx dx. This is equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x value is x square plus x sin nx dx. Now we apply Bernoulli's formula for this integral. Here u value is x square plus x. Differentiation of u is u dash value 2x plus 1. Again differentiating, we get u double dash value is 2. V value is sin nx. Now integrating, integral value v1 is equal to integral sin nx value is minus cos nx divided by n. Again integrating, we get v2 value is here minus cos nx. Integral cos nx value is sin nx divided by n. Here denominator contains 1 n, therefore denominator value n square. Again integrating, we get v3. Integral sin nx value is minus cos nx divided by n. Here already one minus, therefore plus cos nx divided by n, and denominator contains n square. Therefore this denominator value is n cube. What is our bn? Bn value is 1 by pi, and Bernoulli's formula is u v1. U value x square plus x. v1 value minus cos nx by n minus u dash v2. U dash contains, v2 contains 1 minus, formula contains 1 minus, therefore minus into minus plus 2x plus 1 sin nx by n square plus u double dash v3. U double dash value is 2, v3 value is cos nx by n cube. Limits are minus pi to plus pi. Now substituting upper limit for x, what we get? 1 by pi minus, here x equal to pi square plus pi cos n pi by n. Here sin n pi value is 0 plus 2 cos n pi by n cube. Upper limit over lower limit. Before writing lower limit, we put minus. What is our lower limit? Lower limit value is minus pi. Here already one minus, that minus is here. Minus pi square value is pi square. X value minus pi. Cos n of minus pi is equal to cos n pi. Cos minus n pi நாலும் cos n pi நாலும் சேம் தான். காஸில் மைனஸ் வந்தாலும் ப்ளஸ் வந்தாலும் சேம் தான். டிவைடட் பை n plus here sin minus n pi value is 0. That 0 is here. 2 cos n of minus pi நாலும் cos n pi நாலும் சேம் தான். Therefore 2 cos n pi by n cube. This is equal to 1 by pi. Here minus pi square plus pi cos n pi value minus 1 power n divided by n plus 2 cos n pi value minus 1 power n divided by n cube plus here minus into minus plus pi square minus pi cos n pi value minus 1 power n divided by n. Here minus into plus minus 2 cos n pi value is minus 1 power n divided by n cube. Here 2 minus 1 power n by n cube minus 2 minus 1 power n by n cube cancelled. Remaining terms minus 1 power n divided by n is common. Therefore taking minus 1 power n divided by n, remaining values minus pi square minus pi. Here plus pi square minus pi. Minus pi square and plus pi square cancelled. Remaining is minus 2 pi. Therefore minus 1 power n minus 2 pi divided by pi n is equal to, here pi and pi cancel. That value is minus 2 minus 1 power n divided by n. F of x value is a0 by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus summation bn sin nx. Here a0 value is 2 pi square by 3. An value is 4 minus 1 power n divided by n square. Bn value is minus 2 minus 1 power n divided by n square. This is our Fourier series. Next deduction part. Here I take x equal to pi. Here our question contains open interval minus pi to pi. Open interval means end points or discontinuous points. Now I take x equal to pi, that is end point and also discontinuous point. What is our remarks is sum of the Fourier series is equal to average value of endpoints, that is f of minus pi plus f of pi divided by 2 is equal to 2 and 2 cancel, pi square by 3 plus here 4 is constant, taking 4 summation n varies from 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power n divided by n square cos n pi plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity minus 2 minus 1 power n divided by n sin n pi. F of minus pi value is, substitute x equal to minus pi in the given problem. What is our given problem? F of x is equal to x square plus x. Substitute x equal to minus pi. What we get? Pi square minus pi. Substitute x equal to plus pi in the given problem. We get pi square plus pi divided by 2. Right side value pi square by 3 plus 4 summation n varies from 1 to infinity minus 1 power n cos n pi value is minus 1 power n divided by n square sin n pi value 0. Here minus pi and plus pi cancel. Remaining is 2 pi square divided by 2. Right side value pi square divided by 3 plus 4. Summation n varies from 1 to infinity minus 1 to the power 2n. Here 1n, here 1n. If we adding, we get 2n divided by n square. 2 and 2 cancel. Pi square. This term becomes left side with a minus sign. Therefore, minus pi square by 3 is equal to 4. Summation n varies from 1 to infinity. Minus 1 to the power 2n is always positive value 1. Therefore, 1 by n square. 3 pi square minus pi squareங்கிறப்போ 2 pi square divided by 3. ரைட் சைடில் இருக்க 4 லெஃப்டில் வர்றப்போ டினாமினேட்டரில் வந்துடுது 4 டிவைடில் is equal to summation n varies from 1 to infinity 1 by n square. 2 and 4 cancel ஆனால் இங்கே 2 இருக்கும். 2 into 3ங்கிறப்போ 6. அப்போ summation n varies from 1 to infinity 1 by n square is equal to pi square divided by 6.